Well, at the end of the day, everybody, this is what it kind of boils down to. When you buy a storage locker, you have basically three choices here, I believe. You have things that you can sell, things you can donate, and things that are trash that really not sellable, and they're really not donatable. Some places are very picky about what they take as donations. So I'm going to show you what we have here, all right? So I'm going to show you my three piles, and I'll try and explain them as we go because it's kind of organized, but not super organized. Let's see. So here's what we have going on. So what we have in here is kind of a mixture, but mostly these are all things that we're keeping here. Maybe not the bed frame. We have some that. There's air conditioner. And someone was interested in the air conditioners. I have two good, there was three of them that were in here actually. Two of them were good. One of them was pretty destroyed. There's a flag there. I think it's from Sicily. I have to take a look and figure out what country that flag is from. And then over here, we found a box of just like small little things in there, a few keepers in there. These things back here are probably going to be trash or donate. This is a pile of donation. And here's a lot of the keepers we're keeping here. We have this cute little bag for overnight for the grandkids. And then we have lots of hats. Found some very cool Marvel and DC art. These are mounted on boards, printed on boards. Some air mattresses. I think we may be keeping some air mattresses, but we'll see. We have a couple of them. Nice big suitcase in here. It's mostly just full of clothes. They always put things in it. Usually they're clothes. I have two of these kind of like honey pot shaped jugs. Not sure what they're for. They're probably not honey, but they're for something. And then there's the lawnmower. We don't know if it works. I'll be calling on my friend to see if he can help me figure out this thing, if it's going to work or not. And heaters, mug holders, a lot of toy guns. I lost count of toy guns. I was on like 12 at the last time I counted, but there's a couple like Nerf type guns in there. And then here's another air conditioner. This one's actually in very good condition here. And then this pile here is all donatable things. There's shoes and clothes mostly, bags of clothes. Here's some toys. We're going to donate some of the toys. And then this is what happens with everything else. This is the trash pile. Everything that's in my truck right now is going to make the trash men in Dearborn kind of angry. But I got a box spring in there, and my whole truck is just full of garbage and unsellable things. And then there's this dresser over here. We have not even opened up the dresser to see what's in that yet. But well, let's see what's in the dresser here. We'll open up one of these top drawer. Usually the top drawer is the good one. Oh, they put tape on it. That's going to ruin the finish. So we're probably not going to be able to sell this thing again, but I'm not sure. It's really a cheapy one. I wonder if it's my IKEA or something like that. Let's just take a look and see if there's anything inside the drawers here. So be prepared. Oh. Yeah, see they leave planner and some jeans. Oh, here's more money. See, today we found $25, now $26 plus all this change. Everyone always asks me if we find money in these things, and I'm going to give that to my assistant here as a tip. And then we have we found $10,000 or 10,000 yen, which is right around 9 or 10 bucks, I think, at the current rate. And then this here, someone has welded together out of looks like scrap tailpipe. He drew a heart with an arrow through it. Very romantic, you know. So if you know anyone who's interested in something like this, maybe they're a welder, you know, maybe they're a former welder who lives in North Carolina. I don't know. Could be somebody like that. But we found all kinds of interesting things here, and chargers for just about everything, you know. I just kind of lost track of it all here. Here's a white bag. All right, you want to see what's on the white bag? That charges something. Normally, I wear gloves for this kind of operation. I got my gloves right there, but I don't know what it is. It says on here hair dryer. Oh, it's for a hair dryer. We also found, which is interesting, a bottle of Dom Perignon. So, you know, from 2009. And that's a pretty good find right there, I think. So, all right, let's see if I can... I'm going to end this one here on me, hopefully. Let's see. I guess we're not. Okay, so anyway, that's what we have, everybody, for you today. A lot of stuff. We're going to be taking the trash home, leaving the donate and the sellable goods here. And if you happen to see something you like, let me know. If not, it's going to be ending up at the Camp Dearborn Flea Market, which is on May 20th at Camp Dearborn in Milford. So look at my posts, you'll see all sorts of posts about that, because I'm one of the helpers that puts that thing together. So anyway, thanks for watching, everybody, and hope you enjoyed this. There's a lot more stuff in here than I thought, and somehow all of this has to go back inside of here. That'll be fun. Anyway, thanks. Have a great day.